morning, you guys. It is so foggy out. You have to look at this. It looks like it's full-blown winter. This is crazy. And it's August right now. Oh, I'm so tired. We have had the weirdest weather in Oregon the past couple days. Just like rainy, drizzly, stormy, summer. It feels kind of like fall, but then we all know it's going to be like a major plot twist because September is always so beautiful here. I'm kind of enjoying it because, as you can tell, it's the weekend, but I have to go to work. So today is Saturday, and I work Saturday, Sunday, Monday. And I'm gonna take you guys along on a weekend in my life as a nurse. I've had a lovely 9 days off in a row, and I was definitely very concerned about being really anxious before the shift because I was trying to pick up on Tuesday this week, and I didn't actually get called in. I thought that I was gonna get called in. And so I tried to go to bed and I literally couldn't sleep. I had the weirdest, worst, terrible nurse dreams ever. But I must have just played my cards right yesterday. I got to hang out with some good people. I fell asleep so fast and I actually stayed asleep, which is such a win. It's always really hard to go back to work after a long stretch off because you don't know where the floor's at. You know, you're feeling a little like out of it. I really hope today is a good day. I feel like we're gonna have to do the sweatshirt today because it's like 50 degrees, which is gonna feel freezing to me because it's just been in the 80s. And literally it gets warm starting tomorrow. Cozy workday vibes. I got my sweatshirt off of Etsy. It's actually the sweatshirt that I wore to announce what specialty I was going into. My scrub pants are from Fabletics. I love this color so much and they're really comfy. Per usual, I need a vest to wear. I love the vest pockets and the vest life. When I get too hot for the sweatshirt, I still have a vest, which is nice. We're going pink pen today. AirPods for sure. And this cute little bracelet that says supporting the fighters, you are not alone. One of our patients' moms got us all this when her child was done with treatment, so that's really special. I already filled up my water bottle because I was trying to plan ahead for a morning that I felt like would be rough to wake up for. And then the other thing I get to bring to work today is this nice organized little container of card signing pens. My sweet aunt wanted to donate a bunch of school supplies to my floor because we go through a lot of art supplies and things for our patients. So now I have like all these fun pens and I've been organizing them all and just slowly bringing them over. It's so crazy that it's dark out because like it still feels like summer, and I used to wake up now and it'd be like fully light outside. It's wild. Okay. 6 minutes till I need to get out the door. We're gonna finish packing our lunch here. Get a fork, napkin. I feel like I have no food right now, but what I do have is my factory meals, which is really, really great. This video is actually sponsored by Factory. You guys know I love working with them. Today we're having the herbed ricotta and beef ragu with roasted Parmesan walnuts and zucchini noodles. Looks really good. I feel like that's gonna be a good, hearty, like warm meal to have, and it just sounds amazing. And I just love that it's always like in my fridge ready to go. We're bringing some apples. I have some pretzels in there. Factor also conveniently has an amazing selection of juices and other snacks that you can add onto your order. I love it because it's so flexible. If you need to skip a week, like last week I didn't work at all, so I didn't need to get my Factor order, but this week it's so nice to have it. They have tons of different meal options to choose from: vegetarian, keto, protein, a chef selection. I just get a variety pack because I think it's always fun to try new, and I haven't tried this one, which I'm really excited about. And then this is the apple beet ginger juice. Sounds so delish. I think I got everything I want. I love that I don't have to meal prep and cook like lunch and dinner and have breakfast, and it's just like so much when you're living alone because it just feels like you spend all your time cooking. If you guys want to try Factor for yourself, go to factor75.com and use code Kiara50 to get 50% off your first box and 20% off your next month of orders. I will leave a link in the description box so you guys can also click that and it'll take you straight to the site. You can see all our different meal options and plans. It really works great for my lifestyle, and I'm so grateful to be able to work with them. I think I'm ready. And I'm pretty sure my friend group is doing dinner tonight. This is the hard part about being a nurse, but the nice part about being a day shift nurse is that I can still attend some of these events because I just go straight from work usually. But let's make sure it was happening today, because if it is, I like to bring a second set of clothes because I just don't like to wear my hospital clothes. Okay, I'm gonna grab, this bag is just sitting here, so we're gonna use this. We're gonna bring an extra set of shoes, and my shoes are in here. We're putting the nursing shoes on. Okay, we're going sweatpants. I just grabbed sweatpants, socks, shoes, and a shirt. I need to put my badge on. We will depart. Oh my god, I have that song that's like H-O-T-T-O. Okay guys, let's go to work. doing well so far. I've got 2 patients. They're both so awesome, and one gets to go home today after a long stay. So I am doing all of the discharge prep, and we're prepping to have a little celebratory party because this patient's done with transplant, and it's very exciting. So we're gonna celebrate, and I'm gonna go pick up her meds from pharmacy right now because they're very far away on the weekends. So I'm gonna grab them for the parents, and then I'll get her home. Hey guys, it's officially lunchtime and we're gonna do a factor meal taste test. It smells really good. We got the beef ricotta and the zoodles. I'm a big zoodles gal. I discharged 1 patient and then I picked up another. And so now I'm back to 2. Major comfort meal, big fan. I'm gonna eat this and then back to work, finish our stretch, give some chemo and some blood. I've probably had to pee for the past 4 hours and I never went. And of course I left work and I never went. So I'm gonna drive to my friend's house very quickly and then we're gonna pee and change. We had a good day. It was like a steadily busy day, which is kind of nice because then your day goes by quickly, but you're not like in a state of constant overwhelmingness. We got to discharge a transplant patient, which always is like the best feeling. Those families are in the hospital for so long, and to be able to finally go home and after everything they've been through is just the ultimate reward. So it was really nice to be able to decorate the chalkboard. We have a chalkboard that they ring the bell in front of. I don't know how this became my job because I'm not very good at drawing, but I have been trying to like get creative with simple things that I can decorate the board and make it look cute for them. So I've been doing it for a lot of patients and it's been kind of nice and rewarding and like therapeutic to do some art at work. My amazing friend Jason and some of our other friends in our friend group are all having dinner right now at his house, and they invited me and are making me a plate. So I'm starving and I have to pee so bad. We're gonna go hang out with our friends for like an hour and a half. You know, we gotta try to enjoy our weekend a little bit. It's so hard. The FOMO is rough. I gotta eat anyway. So I'm gonna go get some delicious grub and then we're gonna wind down for the night. And either I'll talk to you guys tonight when I get home or tomorrow. I'm literally gonna pee my pants. I've done this, okay? Let's go.
There's so many fish in the ocean, they say. So when will the wind blow you my way? Desire to make shy love.
Good morning, you guys. It's day 2 of 3. I slept pretty well, despite me going to bed a little bit late because I was hanging out with my friends, which was honestly so fun. Like, if you don't do those fun activities, then you feel like you're missing out. So it's about balance. We're going for the bun today. I have an isolation room, so it's a lot of donning and doffing PPE, and it's just like, I need my hair up. Yesterday my hair got destroyed. Even my coworker was like, dude, your hair's a mess. I'm like, yes, this is nursing. The hair just becomes a mess. So we're just gonna do a twist into like a low bun because I feel like it's a lot better on your hair and your scalp because you don't have to like carry as much, and my hair is getting very long right now. I want to grow it out, but it's a lot of pressure like on the top of your scalp to wear that for a 12-hour shift. Today we're gonna switch up the scrunchie. I like to wear scrunchies because it's kind of my secret hack to like make sure the flyaways stay down. I think it's cute for Peds World. I get a lot of questions of where my underscrubs are from. This is from Fabletics. It's nice because it's a little bit less hot than the one that I wore yesterday, and being in that isolation gown and giving chemo, which means I have to put a chemo gown over my isolation gown, I was like so hot. And if I get overheated, I literally will pass out. It's one of my worst fears to ever pass out in a room. I've only come really close once. I gotta stay cool somehow. I need to make my lunch. Yeah, we're making coffee today. The rest of my lunch, factor meal. This is the unstuffed spinach ricotta shells. Sounds very good. Sliced apples, a factor juice. This is an apple wheatgrass juice. I also have some like Dots pretzels, some applesauce, and a cookie that my friend made last night, and I took home an extra one so that I could have it today. Oh my. I mean, at this point you just have to laugh. This is what happened to half of my coffee. Just completely missed the container. I'm too tired to clean this. Okay. I feel like this is something that I fix tomorrow / on my day off. Oh my god, there's like coffee. There's coffee everywhere. Mostly fixed. Yesterday, I took my sweatshirt off in 0.2 seconds as soon as I was going in an ISO room, so we're just gonna wear the same vest as yesterday and then I can wash it after. When we go into ISO rooms and everything, we have to gown up anyway, so it's not like it's really disgusting. We have 2 minutes. This is my little badge hack because my badge is really heavy. I have one of these little ball chains and I actually just clip it through the ball chain. You can't pull your badge like down and up, but I have learned to live with it. It doesn't bother me because I was tired of the saggy badge life. So one of my coworkers taught me that little hack. Maybe I could downsize my badge, I don't know, but I also like everything that I have on it. And I'm so used to typing my password in really quickly that it frankly just doesn't bother me. I'm struggling to get this shoe on today. I think we did it. I just need to turn all the lights off now. Forgot my phone. This is honestly one of the most common things that I forget. So I put it on my bed. Got it. Okay, let's go. We're doing our outdoor walk this morning because I had to park really far up my street. So we're doing some hill walking at 6:30 a.m. What's so fun about this time though is that I actually get to watch sunrise, so I can see the golden little sun just peeking through. It's real nice. Okay, we finally arrived. My car also has really low gas. I will be filling it up after my shift because I don't want to deal with the stress of it anymore. And of course, we're a couple minutes behind, but that's okay because yesterday I got there really early. It's so much faster on the weekends.
Show you my way. Desire to make shy love. Desire to make shy love. So let's pretend that we can do this. So let's pretend that we can. 'Cause desire to make shy love.
So hungry and so excited to have my factor meal. I have 2 patients again, one that I had yesterday and 1 new patient. Yeah, I've just been running around. The day's gone by fast. It's already 12:20. Oh my gosh, this is like my dream meal. We've got delicious noodles and I love these shells, and then I'm obsessed with green beans. So I'm gonna eat this because I'm starving. You guys, the lighting is so voluminous, but it's really highlighting my really greasy face. I have 40 minutes left of the shift. I'm on my second 30-minute break of the day, and then I'm gonna go back, finish my notes, give a couple more meds, finish some blood, take some labs, and then we're going home. And this is simply so bright, I can't even look anymore.
I never knew I'd be your lover. And I never knew you'd show me the way.
Okay, I have to pee so badly. I really want to eat my food, but I know that once I do, I'm gonna sit on the couch and I'm never gonna get up. So I'm gonna put this on the counter and I'm gonna force myself to shower and wash my hair really quick.
So let's pretend that we can. So let's pretend we know what we do.
I'm so excited. Dinner and a show. If you have any nurse friends, if you are a nurse, you know this feeling. Oh my god. It is simply the best. All clean, soft blanket, good food. I feel like we really earned this today. Proud of everyone today. Proud of you for getting through today. I don't even know what to watch. A part of me just wants to rewatch Parenthood for the 5th time because it's my comfort show. So I wouldn't be surprised if I just start watching it again. You haven't seen Parenthood, it's on Hulu. Now that I've said it, I of course am gonna watch it. It's like I don't want to watch the first episode because I've seen it too many times. I'm gonna start at episode 4. It seems random, but like that's I don't remember episode 4, so we're gonna watch it. Before I get too into my show, I'm going to make my lunch for tomorrow and actually pack it ahead of time, and then I'm gonna do all the dishes so that I feel like I accomplished something. Does anyone feel like they are more klutzy post-shift? Like I just spilled half of the thing of rice all over. Today I was holding so many things, cleaning off an IV, that my hand literally started cramping and I needed to take a break, which, you know, there's an art to make that look like you aren't just in excruciating discomfort. You know, you have to casually act like it was planned for you to stop midway through your task. This will be a perfect little lunch. Sometimes if I don't pack a salty snack, I will just want to go to the vending machine all the time. Lunch is packed. All I need to do then is lay out my clothes and brush my teeth, and then I will go to bed. Since everything that I'm doing for the rest of the night consists of me just rotting on the couch, I'm gonna end this weekend in the life vlog here. Thank you guys so much for coming along. Today's question of the day is gonna be, do you have something, a part of your weekend routine that you do every single weekend? I always try to do something fun, even if I'm working every single weekend, so that's definitely a part of my routine. And then the other thing that I typically like to do is like Sunday night, reset, the kitchen is clean, things are tidied, it doesn't have to be perfect, but like a general little sweep through. Start the week, even though in nursing world, there is no like official start of the week. It's very interesting. If you guys want more nursing videos, be sure to give this one a thumbs up. And don't forget that if you guys wanna try out these amazing Factor meals that literally saved me this weekend, you guys can head to factor75.com and use my code Kiara50 to get 50% off your first box, 20% off your second. I'll leave a link in the description box so you guys can try them out for yourself. And I will talk to you guys so soon. I love you.
I'ma have to live a little louder. No, I ain't gonna end up like the man trying to figure out the man who got it figured out. I just bought me a new condo, and in the same year I moved back home. Guess the 20s ain't as friendly as a place where you were born.